guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am Wayne from Wayne K Artistry. For today's video, we are going to dive in with Korean beauty or K-beauty, particularly on skincare. I've been trying some Korean skincare lately and I want to share to you guys my first impression. This video is in collaboration with Stylevana. They reached out to me and sent me some of their best-selling Korean skincare products to try and do a review. So if you haven't heard of Stylevana, it's actually a one-stop shop online store that offers the trendiest Asian beauty products and fashion brands. I was so excited to be trying this K-beauty skincare. I love K-beauty because they always have this advanced technology and always first in beauty with their innovations, especially when it comes to skincare. I love their products because they are effective but gentle on your skin. I love their signature look of glowy, plump, and young-looking skin. So if you guys are interested to know what is Stylevana sent me with their best-selling Korean skincare products and what I think about them, then let's get to it. So I'll get started with this Heimish All Clean Balm. This one retails for $23.99 for 120 ml. So this is a multi-cleansing balm which contains natural aroma oil for easier, faster, and perfect cleansing on makeup without irritation. It is cruelty-free and dermatologist tested. It has hypoallergenic ingredients which includes shea butter and citrus, botanical and white flower extracts, which are suitable for sensitive skin. This has to be a good daily cleanser for removing even heavy makeup. It is a spa cleanser with natural aroma oil. And it also is a 3-step transformer texture, which goes from balm to oil when you massage it onto your skin, and when you add water, it turns into a milky texture. So how to use it? So it includes a spatula. So you scoop 3 to 4 scoops of the balm and massage it into your face until it turns into oil. And this will remove all makeup, including waterproof and sunscreen, and any dirt and pollution. And as it melts your makeup, when you add water, it will turn into a milky texture and it removes all your makeup and all the residues. The next product is this one from Ease and Tree. This is the Green Tea Fresh Toner. And this one retails for $24.50 for 200 ml. This toner is cruelty-free. It's hydrating daily toner infused with 80% of green tea extract from Jeju Island to soothe and revitalize tired skin. It is perfect for oily and combination skin like myself because it is formulated with excess sebum for clear skin. And it is also dermatologist tested. How to use it? So after cleansing, soak a cotton pad with a toner and gently wipe across your entire face and then pat for better absorption. You can also just put some drops on your palm and pat it on your skin. This one is the Secret Key Starting Treatment Rose Essence. This one retails for $40 for 150 ml. So this essence contains rose water and 94% of galactomyces ferment filtrate to revive saggy skin and restore the vital of your skin. It firms inner elasticity and smooth out rough skin texture. This works for any skin type, even for sensitive skin. And how to use it? You can apply it with cotton pads, or you can also put some on your palm and press it onto your skin for better absorption. And our fourth item is this one from Unique. This is the Black Snail Restore Serum. This one retails for $30 for 50 ml. You can use the serum day and night, and it's good for any skin type, even for sensitive skin. It is a serum with highly nutritive black snail to support the appearance of skin elasticity and natural cell regeneration. And it is enriched with 70% black snail extract and 5 black superfoods to nourish skin's natural power to create elasticity and smoothness of the skin with radiance. It also double functions as a product for whitening and wrinkle care because of the niacinamide and adenosine as part of the ingredients. So how to use it? After you put your toner or essence, put 3 to 4 drops on your face and gently pat for better absorption. Second to the last is this Biore UV Watery Essence with SPF 50. This is the world's first ever micro defense formula sunscreen that prevents uneven application down to micro crevices while gently protecting vulnerable skin from UV damage. It gives you a thin, even UV blocking film that covers the whole body like a second skin. It is formulated with moisture-rich water capsules to prevent dryness, which includes hyaluronic acid and royal jelly extract. It comes clear and it doesn't have any coloring agents, and it has a gentle fragrance. So this is a watery essence, which means it has transparent texture that blends effortlessly with the skin. You can also use it as a foundation primer that will give you a smooth foundation finish. You can use it for face and body, and it's suitable for all skin types. It also rinses away easily with soap. Even it has a super waterproof formulation. So how to use it? So apply an amount that's little by little to make sure it is evenly applied onto your skin, and let it dry completely onto your skin before you apply your next skincare product or your makeup. And last but not the least is this one from Rire, the Real Nature Mask Pack in Pearl. And this one retails for $3.89. So this mask is good for anti-aging that combats wrinkles, dryness, and dullness. So it gives you nice hydration and radiance to your skin. How to use it? So after washing your face, place the sheet on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before you remove the sheet. And then dab the remaining essence onto your face for better absorption, or you can also use your jade roller so you can really massage the essence into your skin. It's good for brightening and lifting effect and offers deep hydration and nutrients to your skin. So those are the 6 products that I got from Stylevana. They are one of their best-selling products on their website. So now let's move on with my first impression. So let's start with this cleansing balm. So first I want to say that I like the packaging and how it comes with a spatula. I like the scent of it. It has that aroma fragrance like a spa. I like the texture and how it turns from balm to oil and then to a milky texture. And it does pretty good on removing the makeup. But I find that with my waterproof liquid eyeliner, it took me a while to really remove it. And I have to really rub my skin to be able to remove all the residue of it. But if you are wearing just regular makeup, this will do the job. Next is this toner, the Isntree Green Tea Toner. So from the time that I received this and I saw that it's green tea, I know this will be perfect for my skin type because green tea actually helps with oil control. So it's perfect for oily to combination skin, which I do have. So I really enjoy this one. I like the texture. The smell of it is not too strong. And it is very lightweight and it does help with the oil control. And then next one is the Secret Key Rose Essence. I've been wanting to try essence for quite a while now, and I'm glad that this came with the whole package and I really enjoyed it. This one reminds me of the one from Caudalie. I like the texture, it's very lightweight and the smell is amazing. So I really enjoy this one and I will for sure keep on using it. It really gives you a nice extra hydration onto your skin, but without breaking you out. So it's also good if you have oily to combination skin because it is pretty lightweight, but it boosts your hydration and at the same time the radiance of your skin. Next is the Unique Black Snail Restore Serum. So this one I was kind of skeptical to try. I've been hearing a lot of great things about the snail secretion or extract. But the idea of it, thinking that it is from snail and it's the slimy part of it, kind of grossed me out. Not in a bad way for this one though, because at first I was like, oh, that looks like really sticky, right? But once you put it onto your skin, it gives you that cooling effect. And at the same time, once it dries after a few seconds, it doesn't feel sticky at all. But your skin really feels hydrated. And I feel like it really does help with the dryness of your skin, which help with wrinkles and any signs of aging. So personally, I am not a fan of the idea that this one contains 70% of filtrated snail secretion. But if you guys don't mind that and you're after the anti-aging that this one gives your skin, then I would highly recommend trying it out. And at the same time, for the price, this one is really good for an anti-aging serum. And then the next one is the Real Nature Mask Pack in Pearl. So I like how this one really gives you a nice radiant skin right off the bat. This one is a quick and easy self-care that you can do once or twice a week. And it's very easy. You just grab the sheet and put it on your face, leave it for 15 to 20 minutes minutes while you're laying down and just relaxing. And I do love how my skin feel really plump and glowy. So if you guys have any concern about your skin's dullness and hydration, I would highly recommend trying this out. And then last but not the least is I think my favorite from all of the products that I got. So this is the Biore UV Watery Essence. So first, I really like the idea of a sunscreen that feels like a moisturizer. Like literally it is very lightweight. So as you guys saw on my video clip, it is very lightweight. It doesn't give you any white cast that you would usually get from regular sunscreen, and it doesn't smell like the regular typical sunscreen. This one goes really lightweight, basically like a water-based moisturizer, which I really love because like I said, I have oily combination skin. So anything that's oil-free, anything that's water-based are like my favorite products. And this one smells so good, but it's not too overpowering. And having SPF 50 for the price, that is amazing. It also says that you can use it for your face and body, but I haven't tried on my body. I feel like for the size, I will just keep this for my face and use other products for my body. What I really like about this one too, it works as a primer as well. So it's like 2-in-1 as your sunscreen and a primer as well. So for $15, guys, this is such a great deal. I will for sure keep on using this and repurchase. So if you guys are looking for a really great sunscreen without getting that white cast and that greasy feeling or that scent, then I would highly recommend this one to try. So that's everything today, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and make sure to check Stylevana if you haven't, because they have great variety and selection of the trendiest Asian fashion and beauty products. At the same time, they are all so affordable. I just can't believe how much these products are for how good they are. They are very comparable to the products that I've tried from Sephora, and they always do sale as well, so you'll get better value off your money. And because you guys are still watching, I have a surprise for you guys. For partnering up with Stylevana, they gave me a special discount code for my followers and subscribers and for my viewers today. Make sure you check out the link in the comment section, and also all the products that I showed you, I will leave down below. I am pretty impressed with the products that I've tried, especially my top favorite ones. So I highly recommend checking them out, guys. Thank you again, Stylevana, for having me as part of the #Vana family, sending me these amazing products. And if you guys haven't tried K-beauty or Korean skincare products, make sure you do, because this might change your skincare game. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment down below if there's anything that you want to see on my next video. Click that notification bell so you know when I upload a new one. And share my videos as well so your friends and families can join our growing beauty clan. Again, and as always, take care and keep safe.